So many people buy a Firestick, and the first thing they do is download those garbage apps from the official store. The result? Endless buffering. Today, I only need 3 minutes to expose why those so-called free tutorials you're watching are actually setting you up to fail. Real pro users tweak their devices exactly like this to unlock beast mode. Want to grab my personally tested optimization pack right now? Check the pinned comment below. First things first, we need our essential side-loading tool. Head over to the Find icon on your home screen, scroll down and hit Search. Just type in the letter D and the downloader app will pop right up. Select it and get it installed. Once that's done, hold your horses, don't open it just yet. Hit the home button on your remote because we need to tweak a few background settings before we can fully unlock this stick. Scroll all the way to the right to the Settings gear icon, go down and select My Fire TV. Next, look for developer options. If you don't see it on the list, don't panic. Just click on About, highlight your Fire TV device name, and smash the select button on your remote 7 times in a row. You'll see a quick toast message at the bottom saying, "No need, you are already a developer." Hit the back button once, and boom, developer options magically appears. Click into it, turn ADB debugging to on, then go into Install Unknown Apps and flip Downloader from off to on. Now, Downloader has VIP privileges to install any third-party streaming apps we want. All right, let's head back to the home screen and fire up Downloader. Move your cursor up to the URL box to bring up the keyboard. Next, we're dropping in the exclusive shortcode for our first top-tier app today, 272483. Hit Go, and it'll take you straight to the download page. Let the file load, then click Install in the bottom right corner. Once it's installed, make sure you click Done, do not click Open. This is crucial because it allows us to hit Delete and then Delete one more time to confirm. This standard operating procedure is absolutely vital. It completely wipes the temporary installation files so you aren't wasting your Firestick's precious storage space with junk files. For the remaining 2 God-tier apps, just rinse and repeat the exact same process using the codes 511693 and 395800. Remember to install and delete the files just like we did. With these 3 apps locked and loaded, your Firestick is officially upgraded. If you run into any advanced configuration issues or network setup problems down the road, make sure to hit the link in the description or the pinned comment to connect with my tech team. Even if it's just tweaking a single setting to get things optimal, we've got your back. If this guide helped you out, smash that like button to let me know it's the best way to support the channel. Drop a comment below. Which of these 3 apps is your favorite? I can't wait to hear your feedback. Enjoy your streaming, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.